Well, part three, that's going to be really interesting. I just did the introduction and it just magically stopped. Interesting. So I'll do it a bit more simply. I'm going to do a balance on the solar plexus energy for light workers here in Australia. Different continents around the world have different energetic connections with what's going on the planet. The light workers in Australia need to activate their solar plexus chakras and allow themselves to stand in their sovereignty. Aussies really need to just simply say no to anything else that violates them. Simply say no to anything else that violates you. That's where we are on the planet. We need to activate. We need to activate our energies. We need to activate our quantum consciousness. We need to activate that goodness, sovereignty, happiness, peace inside of us. So this is going to be balanced particularly for energetic healers, for light workers, for sovereign beings, to activate the solar plexus energy. I've got my AO scanner on and it's going to be running through all of the chakras simultaneously. So at that quantum consciousness level, all of our chakras are being activated to be at the highest frequency they can. So can you hear it? So that's just going to be going on gently in the background. Okay. So let's see if the dark energies allow me to continue this time. Okay. Part 4 today. Okay.